Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, the preview updates, of course, have been released for Windows 11, 24H2, and 25H2. They came to your PC through Windows Update as the, if I go here in the update history, preview update for 2025-11. And it's KB5070311. Now, this is interesting because it actually has been released and a lot of people have received it yesterday, December 1st, kind of later than usual. So brings your build version to 26200.73009. So, of course, this has a host of bug fixes that it has added to the PC. But the interesting part of it is that Microsoft has said that you should beware of a bug that is in it that basically is going to give you a flash. Why? Because if you're using dark mode in File Explorer, when you open it, did you see that big white square? Well, that is something that happens every time you open a new tab, every time you open File Explorer. Microsoft has warned that there is a bug that does that. So it might blind you for a few microseconds, as this is a known issue with the update. So basically, they have, of course, issued a little warning that this happens, that the display will go white temporarily before it goes into dark mode. Apart from that, it fixes quite a few little things here and there. If you had issues, it might turn on some features for some of you. I haven't seen any differences or anything new in my case, but that is something to check out for the latest update that's available. And yeah, later than usual, so tells you that sometimes Microsoft does things and can not, especially for the preview update, they don't necessarily follow exactly a specific time frame. Like I always say, because a lot of people are always like, well, it wasn't there on Tuesday. The preview update is not like the Patch Tuesday security update. It could appear on another day than the day that they actually have decided. And of course, if you ignore this, don't go into Windows Update, nothing. This will not install until you get to the Patch Tuesday updates, which are next week, December 9th. And hopefully, they might have fixed the File Explorer by then. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.